is crypto arbitrage trading and how does it work? So in this video, you will learn on how crypto arbitrage trading works. And crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform like Binance. You can see I have a balance of 1,417 and selling them on a higher price on a decentralized platform. So today's arbitrage is very special. Make sure you watch to the end, and if you want to join my free classes, just go to where you are watching, whichever account you are watching this video. Go click on the link on bio, then you click on the three dots right up here. Then you will open with browser. After opening with browser, make sure you join the free classes in Telegram and learn on how to trade crypto arbitrage trading with automated bots. And in the end of this video, we'll be making a withdrawal so that everybody can be at peace that you can withdraw from Ranquilly to your Binance account or your any crypto exchange account. So you will buy your assets via P2P in your exchange, then use those assets to fund your Ranquilly account. Make sure you have an account and it is verified, both KYC and email. You can see I have a balance of 1,417. So by the end of this video, we should be at 1,500 with a withdrawal. So today, I will be trading with bots, not our normal manual arbitrage trading. So I will come, let's go back home. This is my homepage. So you can see it is funded with 300,000 USDTs. So I will come to these three lines. Then I will click on arbitrage bots. Don't use trading bots, use arbitrage bots. Trading bots are for spot trading. These one are for arbitrage trading. So I'll click arbitrage trading. Then because I want some good profits, I will use cross exchange alpha, cross-x alpha, as my arbitrage bot, which is trading between Binance and OKX. Then this is the win rate. It is trading between Ethereum and BNB, going for 1 hour and 1.2. That's 1 hour and some 20-40 minutes. So expected profit margin is 113.6. Maximum risk rate is 22.9%. Minimum capital is 350. Every human being can afford that. So I'll deploy my bot, and remember, this bot is automated. So you don't have to check the charts. You don't have to do anything. You just have to do fund your account, get the bot trading for you and making profit for you through arbitrage trading. So the best case of this bot will give us 1,135, which will be making around 100 USDTs profit. And the worst case, which is the loss, which is not going to happen, is 285. So our bot is running right now, and it will give us 9 or 7 USDTs. So there is P2P fee, there is market something and everything. So it comes to 9 or 7. In profits, our capital is there. So the total payout will be 1,907. I hope you are getting that. You can see my trading history. I've been making profits, even if they are not that much. Like this one, I traded with 500. I made 617. So I always try to double my capital with arbitrage opportunities using these bots. I'll do one for manual trading, so don't worry. So we will come and withdraw. So this is the most interesting part, because people will tell you this is a scam and whatever and so many stories, but arbitrage works. And always make sure you maximize your capital so that you can make good profits with arbitrage trading. So if you want to withdraw from your Ranquilly account, this is the process. Come, click on deposit. Then you will click on USDT or BTC or any other coin that you are holding. Then choose the network. Then copy the address. Go back to your Ranquilly. Click on the three dashes. Click on withdrawal. Click on USDT or any other that you've copied the address. Then enter amount. I'll be withdrawing 1 or 2. Remember, this is just for tutorial. We are just playing with this 100 Then you confirm. Wait for some minutes, 2 to 15 minutes actually, for your withdrawal to be in your external exchange. That is your deck, a centralized exchange, I mean. So arbitrage is just buying low on a centralized platform and selling high on a decentralized platform. Meanwhile, our arbitrage bot is doing the work for us. You can see how many minutes remaining. It will go for 1 hour and 7 minutes. So we should wait for that long for it to complete. So let's wait for our withdrawal, then I'll show you how this goes. So my guys, my withdrawal has been approved. You can check there. Let's go and check on Binance. On Binance, we just go back. You can see it has changed. So whoever is telling you that crypto arbitrage trading is not profitable, go and prove them wrong. Tell them that arbitrage in Ranquilly is very different. So let's go and check in our Ranquilly account. Our trade is still ongoing. We can't wait for 1 hour, so you'll bear with me. But if you are in my Telegram channel, you will see how that will go. So let me come on transaction history and actually show you that our withdrawal has been approved and has been dispatched to our Binance account. You can see the date and time here. Actually, no edits, no nothing. So make sure you trade now, maximize your capital. Make sure you start with 1,000 and above, or you can start with 500. Don't start with the minimum of 30. You won't make much profits. So we are out. Make sure you follow me, you like, and